Hi, I'm Coach Tom Ferry, and welcome to RE/MAX EUROversity. Today, you're going to learn the 3 powerful questions you can ask to move your clients off the fence and finally make a decision. Let me ask you, has there ever been a time when you had a client who simply couldn't decide, who couldn't get clear on what action they needed to take? Well, if that's the case, watch how these 3 questions will naturally and automatically allow the client to express all of their concerns, all of their fears, move to a state of neutrality, and then ultimately, what is most important, what's going to fire them up to make a decision. So we start with question number 1. What's the worst case scenario if you take action? What's the worst case scenario if you take action? Remember, your job is to sit and listen and hear all of their fears, all of their worries, recognizing we simply will not move forward with a big decision if we're still thinking about all of our fears and anxieties and have not expressed them. Once you hear them all, you ask question number 2, what's the most likely scenario if you take action? Now we've taken them to a place of neutrality. Now they're back to even. And of course, then we ask, what's the best case scenario if you take action? What's the best case scenario if you take action? And watch how your client will move from a state of fear and anxiety to a place of neutrality to a place of ready to move forward and take action. Remember, our job as great salespeople is to ask questions that naturally and automatically allow our customers to make good decisions to move forward. Use these 3 questions and watch your results shine. Of course, now your job is to practice this script over and over until you own it. So, on behalf of myself and RE/MAX EUROversity, remember always, your strategy matters, and now more than ever, your passion rules.